Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's go straight ahead to showing you how I achieved this look. So I'll first use this Maybelline illuminating primer. I'll then brush my eyebrows using this spoolie brush and fill them in.
Your face shines like the sun. Your eyes burn like a flame. Your hair white as the snow. Your feet burns like a furnace. Your words pierce like a sword. In your voice,
Then brushing.
sounds of many waters. Jesus,
The same for the other eye.
Jesus,
Brush them so as to get the shape. Then
Jesus.
outline.
You hold keys of death and hell. You fall when I was so weak.
And fill
You show
gently
when I had
using very gentle motions.
you conquer.
Oh, this is a look I normally do when I have like 5 minutes on it to my makeup. So after my eyebrows, I don't even define them with concealer or clean them up or anything. Just drawing them in with an eyebrow pencil and that's it. So the next thing, I normally take my powder, and this is the illegal powder in the shade Warm Caramel, and I use that for my face. Yeah, no foundation, no nothing, because blending foundation and you don't have enough time will appear as a mess. So I prefer when you don't have time to do like really nice makeup, just work with a simple look using kidogo products that you have. So I'm taking my powder using my kabuki brush and I'm tapping it like this on my face. I had primed my face, yeah, so using a primer helps to fill in the pores so that even when you do the powder it will sit in pretty on the face, and like just taking powder and putting it on directly on your skin without any primer. So that's why it's so important to, use primer. So these are the parts where I normally place the powder. You guys, shooting these videos ain't easy, so I'm here, I'm wondering, do I look at the camera, do I look at my mirror? Oh, but I think it gets better with time. I can't really wait for the day I'll be so good at shooting my videos and editing them. So one day at a time. I'm avoiding this part because this is where I'm going to put my contour, a darker shade of powder. Yeah, so it's under the eyes, my forehead, and this part. Yeah, and this powder really has nice coverage, and it's only 750 shillings. Can you imagine? My forehead. And my eyes. So the next thing is taking illegal, the same powder in the shade Cocoa for contouring, because I want to define my cheekbones, and I'll use a different brush. So I've just tapped in my brush and put it here, my cheek.
White as the snow.
and on my jawline.
Your feet bends like a furnace. Your word
Blending it in, can you see?
like a
It's
soul.
use this depth compared to this side. That's why we contour, so that you can get that slim effect over here. You won't look round. Yeah, and I'm doing the same for the other side. So I'm first placing it, and I'm also putting it on my jawline, and then I'll blend it like that. Then I use whatever is left for my nose.
You hold keys of death and hell. You fall when I won't fall.
Yeah, can you see? Looks a bit slimmer. Can also add kidogo.
When I have no strength in me, you conquer.
Yeah, so contouring gives you that slimming effect. Yeah. And I'll also contour my forehead a bit. So the next thing, I normally take, this is my elf blush palette, and I normally love taking this color. I mix these two, don't mind my chipped nail. So I use this to add some color to my cheeks, because I've not done so much, so at least let me have some color. Yeah, using this brush. So I'm just taking these two and placing here on my cheeks.
Like a soul in your voice are sounds of many waters.
And this also helps to define the face. Like if I had not contoured and used this shade, a dark black blush shade, I would have also gotten the effect of contouring. Like it would have helped define my cheeks. I'm going to use my powder to blend that blush so that it will stop appearing too much. Yeah, then that's it. I'm going to spray my face, and I'm using the City Color matte setting spray. So spraying your face helps to finish that powdery effect, so it makes your face look, really nice, and the makeup is settled in. Yeah, so I totally recommend getting a setting spray to spray your face, especially after powder. Yeah, to have that nice glow. So the next thing is my mascara, and I'm using the Great Lash mascara. So after mascara, I like using my pencil liner for my under eye.
Burns like a flame. Your hair white as the snow. Your feet bends like a
Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter.
your words.
And I'm using this brush to highlight.
In your voice are sounds of many waters.
So that I can have some glow. also love blending my highlighter so that I won't look like I have a shiny thing here and here, so I blend it a little bit. So this is the gloss that I've been using. So many of you have told me to do a tutorial. It's the Gabrini Ultra Shine Diamond Lip Gloss. I got it at Super Cosmetics for about 400 to 500 shillings, and it's really nice. I'm definitely going to get a couple of these in different shades because this lip gloss is very nice. And I'm using lip liner from Dubois. It's called M.N something matte lip liner.
White as the snow, your feet bends like a furnace.
It's good to blend your lip liner.
Pierced like a soul.
Guys, can you see? It's so pigmented. It's so pigmented, and then it smells really nice. Yeah, this is a must-have. It makes. So that's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. You know, this is such a really easy look to achieve, so simple, and not much products are needed. So if you're a beginner, you can start from here. And if you really need concealer, like let's say you have dark spots or acne, you can do the same thing I've done, but use concealer to hide the spots, and then use your powder. Yeah, see you on the next one. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Yeah, thank you for watching.